Hi, I'm Robyn Anderson, and I've spent years helping small business owners simplify their work, streamline their systems, and finally feel in control of their businesses with AI. And that's exactly why I created the AI Accelerator for small business owners. If you want your days to feel lighter, clearer, and actually enjoyable, this is your moment. The AI Accelerator gives you the full roadmap. We'll first start with an intro to what AI is. You'll learn why it matters and how to use the right tools to eliminate the tasks that drain your time. Then, in sales and marketing, we'll take everything to the next level. You'll build your own custom AI assistant, automate content, repurpose video, elevate your design with amazing free tools, organize your leads, and create a complete sales workflow that saves hours and hours every week. Now remember, this is not about doing more. It's about running your business smarter with tools that actually support you. There's no tech knowledge needed. Everything is super easy to do, and I'll guide you step by step. So, if you are ready for the easier, more efficient version of your business, the AI Accelerator is where it starts. So, come with me, let's build it together.